In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data in QuickBooks Online in Bookkeeper View. If you need to download reports or lists from QuickBooks Online for review, backup, sharing, or deeper analysis in Excel, this process is very straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. To complete this export successfully, make sure you're signed in with admin access or full permissions. That matters because the export option may not be available to users with limited access. Once you're inside QuickBooks Online, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This is where many account tools and settings are located. In the menu that opens, look for the Tools section and then select Export Data. This will take you to the Export area where you can choose what information you want to download. In some cases, QuickBooks may ask you to select a reason for exporting your data. If that prompt appears, simply choose the option that best fits your situation, then click. Continue to move on. This step is just part of the setup and helps QuickBooks guide the export process. Next, go to the Reports tab. Here you'll be able to choose a pre-selected date range for the reports you want to export. Be sure to pick the date range carefully, since that determines which accounting periods are included in the downloaded files. If you're preparing information for a month-end review, tax work, or a client handoff, this is an especially important step to double-check. After that, use the on and off switches to choose the specific reports and lists you want included. For example, you might turn on reports like profit and loss or balance sheet, and also include lists such as the chart of accounts or customer list. Only enable the items you actually need, since that makes the export cleaner and easier to work with afterward. When everything looks right, click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will then generate your export file. Depending on the amount of data you selected, this may take a few moments. Once the download is ready, save the zip file to your computer in a location you can easily find later, such as your Downloads folder or desktop. After saving it, right-click the zip file and extract it. Inside, you'll find the individual Excel spreadsheets for the reports and lists you selected. That's it. You've successfully exported your data from QuickBooks Online and prepared it for use in Excel.